Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to adjust the auto tilting mirrors if you want to do that. That's a new feature that just came out, so that tutorial is coming up. So this is a new feature that just came out on the latest update, and so basically I find it kind of handy in some situations, like especially if you're parallel parking or something, you want the mirrors to auto tilt down so you can see the curbs, you don't curb your rims. So how we do that is when I go into the settings menu here, if you don't have that down here at the bottom, you swipe up, and it'll be right here, settings. Then you want to go to vehicle and go to access. Now once we go to access, if you scroll down here, way down here it says side mirror auto tilting. So you turn that on, and then basically when you put the car in reverse, the mirrors are auto tilt. You can actually customize it too. So if you go to customize here, then you can adjust it just like you're adjusting your mirrors like normal if you're just driving. So do your adjustments, hit remember, adjustments on the wheels here, hit remember, and then it'll save it in your profile. And that's really all there is to it. One other thing I noticed is that when you are in reverse, it'll basically pop up on your screen, on the driver screen here, over here. If you want to get rid of it for that particular drive, when you put it in reverse, you can just hit the left, I guess, arrow, whatever you want to call it, and it'll basically get rid of it. Just like if you're doing the garage and you don't want to use the tapping button to do the garage, you can do the same thing and just shut off the auto mirror and the mirrors will tilt back up. So that's pretty much it. Hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.